Got the types of cards, card numbers, and whatnot. And this column here is my SKU column. So for the first one, we'll do the Gleyber Torres, which is the baseball. So I always recommend doing these in bunches, because as you can see, all I have to do, highlight the one above it. This was the last one I did, happened to be a baseball card. So I'm just going to scroll it down one row, and it'll change it from base 468 to base 469. And that is my SKU. So I take my post-it note here that I like to use, and I write the SKU number. Base dash 469. As you can see there. So that will go onto the back of the card, like so. And that one is finished. So let's go Shaquille O'Neal basketball. So I will have to scroll up to the last basketball card I did, which was a while ago. So there it is, B-ball 317. So I'm just going to copy that